Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be making a super hair growth oil, and we are going to be using 7 kitchen spices you already have in your kitchen. If this sounds like something you would like, then keep watching this video. The Lord will open the heavens, the storehouse of his bounty, to send rain on your land in season, and to bless all the work of your hands. Deuteronomy 28 verse 12. Our first spice is ginger. Ginger stimulates blood circulation on the scalp, encouraging faster and healthier hair growth. Ginger contains antimicrobial properties that can help eliminate dandruff and soothe itchy scalp. Ginger strengthens the hair follicle, minimizing excessive shedding and breakage. The second spice is garlic. Garlic also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicle. Garlic is rich in sulfur and keratin boosting compounds. Garlic fights dandruff. The third spice is cinnamon. Cinnamon can help increase blood flow to the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Cinnamon contains antimicrobial property that can help reduce scalp infection and buildup. Cinnamon can be used as a natural conditioner to add shine and softness to hair. The fourth spice is clove. It is mostly used in hibiscus juice, popularly known as zobo in Nigeria. Cloves contains a compound called eugenol that can help stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, reducing dandruff, itchiness. It also strengthens the hair follicle. The fifth spice is rosemary. Rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, providing the scalp with essential nutrients it needs for your hair to grow, reduces dandruff, it enhances hair growth, it fights against scalp infection, it reduces breakage, and it also balances the scalp pH. The sixth one is thyme. Similar to rosemary, thyme is excellent for improving blood circulation to the scalp. Thyme also treats alopecia. Thyme is a natural anti-inflammatory that can soothe scalp irritation. Thyme contains antibacterial and antifungal properties too. Like I said before, they are similar herbs but different. That is why you see me showing you the two packs, so you know that it is actually two different herbs that looks the same. The difference is just that thyme is a bit smaller than rosemary. Rosemary is actually bigger. So our next spice is bay leaves. Bay leaves has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help control scalp infections, bacteria, and itching. Bay leaves contain nutrients that stimulate hair growth and also strengthen the hair follicles. So these are all the spices we'll be using today. You can use more or less depending on what you have in your kitchen. But all these things, you already have them in your kitchen. Okay. So let me go ahead and show you all what we got in the plate. We have cloves, we have rosemary, we have thyme, we have bay leaf, we have cinnamon, we have ginger, and we have garlic. Until the next step, I'm going to be pouring in my spices into the blender because we are making an oil, so we need to crush the herbs. After I poured this into the blender, I kept it aside. Now it is time for me to prep the ginger and garlic because I'll be peeling the back and also be peeling the back of the garlic, so we don't need them, so we need to remove it. But for the ginger, you can decide to just wash it clean or peel the back. I decided to peel the back, so this is me just removing the excess water from the ginger and garlic because we don't need extra water inside our oil. So now after I put everything inside the blender, I'll go ahead and measure out 1 cup of oil. The oil depend on you. For me, I had a mixture of oils. Any oil you have available is absolutely fine. The most important thing is the herbs that we are infusing into the oil, so it is fine. Now we are going to start blending our herbs and our oil together. So let's just do that. If there's any herbs here that you don't like, you can choose to remove it. For some people, they don't like the smell of garlic, so you can choose to remove garlic and use the rest of the things that you want to use. Okay, now I have already finished blending all the spices together. Now I am going to do a double boiler. Normally I would have just left this thing to infuse for some days, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a double boiler and show you guys what this actually looks like before I go ahead and infuse it for more days before I can use it. So now let's do a double boiler method. We are just going to be placing our jar into a boiling pot of water. But let me let you know that you need to keep your eyes on this. You need to always check it so the bottle will not overheat and break, because it has actually happened to me before. If the water inside the pot should dry up and you're not there to attend to it, the bottle can overheat and then break, and we don't want that. So after I left it for about 15 minutes, the oil is a bit heated up. I brought it down and let it cool down before I go ahead and use my cheesecloth to strain it. Let me just say that this cheesecloth now is a lifesaver. I use it for almost everything. So that is what we are going to be using right now. We are going to use it to extract our oil. So now this process is very important to avoid residues on your hair. You need to strain this oil very well so you will not have herbs sticking in your hair. Like I said before, I am still going to be infusing this, so I'm just going to strain it once and then show you guys how I use it on my hair for the sake of this video. The more time you leave your herbs to infuse, the more potent it is. So for me, I like to infuse mine for at least a week before using it. And this oil, you can use it as a pre-poo, as a scalp oil, and also as a sealant. This is what the oil looks like now. It is very, very potent. Believe me, if you try this and you're consistent with it, your hair will definitely grow. Now let's transfer it into this bottle I used to store my hair growth oil before I go ahead and show you guys how I use it on my hair. I'm not ready to use the oil just yet, but I am still going to show you guys how I use it on my scalp. So keep watching. And if you've watched to this point, you haven't subscribed, you haven't liked, or you haven't dropped a comment, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, and comment. If possible, do share this video to your loved ones, those who need to grow out their hair. So this is what the oil looks like. Let me even put it on my hand and show you guys. This oil is packed with nutrients that are very good for your hair. Having said that, now let me show you how I use it on my hair. Though I won't be using much because like I said before, I'm not ready to use it, but I'll just be using a bit on the edges, on my edges rather, to show you guys exactly how I'll be using it. My hair is not washed yet. My hair is not even detangled. My next video, I'll be doing a wash day routine where I'll be detangling and washing my hair. And also, I promised you guys I'll be using papaya leaf on my hair. That video will still be up on the channel. So make sure that you're subscribed so you will not miss anything. All right. If you're the type that don't like the smell that comes out from garlic, let me not just lie to you. I can still perceive that smell in the oil. If you don't like that, you can just go ahead and use lavender essential oil or any other essential oils that have some form of fragrance. And also use vitamin E oil for preservative. Other than that, this oil can last you for 2 months. Also, because of the raw garlic and ginger used in this oil, I'll not advise you to store it longer than 2 months, or else it will just spoil. We have come to the end of this video. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next upload. Bye.